Welcome to another video to Secret Garage. Today we are gonna be installing our own 8.8 kit in the Supra. So right here we have the custom plate on the back, the bracket which is gonna mount it, and we have our custom axles. So these axles, the way it works is these axles are 31 spline on one side, and then on this side we are doing some custom hubs, which they are over here. Let me show you guys. We're gonna take into the shop now so we can install the custom hubs. This is the old ones, this is the Toyota hubs, so these are gonna be out, and then we're gonna put some custom hubs in here that will fit the rotor of the Toyota rotor, and the inside obviously is going to be the same splines as the other side of the axle. So it's going to be a full 8.8 kit in the Supra. These kits are going to be available to sell to you guys. So this is the first installation that we're going to be doing, and we're going to go test it at the track, and then we're going to sell it so you guys can also have fun with the top secret 8.8 kit. All right, so the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna apply some silicone on the outside, and I'm gonna seal it here. This is our Yukon locker. Put this in today, so we're gonna seal all this, and then the kit comes with all the bolts, so you can bolt it on. You got the bolts for the back of the housing. These ones, they are like this, and then you have two long ones that go in here. No vacilen con las tenis. This guy. So let's put on it. Let's seal this up. All right, so we are at the shop where we're gonna be installing the hubs. So the seals, this is it. All right. So these are the custom hubs that we're gonna be installing. This will let you bolt the 8.8 axles in here, and they are machined. You know, your rotor will fit in here, your stock rotor, and it uses a ring. This ring obviously is supposed to be here. Make sure you leave it there, and then what you do is you take your bearing and then you press it, but you have to put this first over there, and then you press this one over there. So let's start with this process. We're pushing the bearing in. So we got both of them in. Got that one. So you gotta put these clips on first before you put that in. Gotta put these clips in here and in here. And then once you put these clips, then you press this part like that. Now this edge over here will not make it all the way on the other side. It's gonna be about that much of a space. I'll show you guys once I press it in. Then that is fine. It's not gonna affect anything because the axle is still gonna sit on this part over here of the bearing. The axle is gonna sit here, and so it's not gonna affect it. You know, it's gonna be like up to here, which is fine. And I gotta clean all this too before you put everything. Now I gotta see. I don't think we're gonna be using the seal on the outside because the axle already has a seal, so it's gonna keep the dirt from coming in there. So once you put the clip in, right, you flip it around. Well, no, that means you don't have to flip it. This inside, once you put the clip, you grab the front seal and then you put it in there. Not like that, but something else. Right. When you do this, make sure you put something on the bottom, like that, so it doesn't push the other, the half of the bearing out. Then make sure you're going very straight. Our press is a little crooked. I don't know if you guys can tell, but sí, pero ella va a bajar. Okay. Slowly going. That's it. All right. Vamos. So there you go. This is one of them. So this is what I told you. It's gonna be a little bit of a gap in here, and that is okay. Because once you push the axle, it's gonna sandwich everything in. So got the axles. They're gonna go right in here. And these axles are full 8.8 axles. The ones we're gonna be in there. They're not a hybrid or something like that. They are full 8.8, just, you know, cut to the measurement of the Supras and the SC300s and whatnot. So I know they are way stronger than the stock Lexus axles. So let's finish the second one. All right, so it's done. This is how it looks on the inside. Like I said, there's gonna be a little space in here, which is fine. It's not gonna affect anything. Do not put these seals that go in there, do not put them in there. the seal on this side, yes, and then that's it. You have a full 8.8 everything, or more like R10. That's beautiful. All right, so what I did is I went ahead and I put the axles in, just because I wanted to put the gear oil in, and it's a little where it sits a little bolt, it's gonna be a little tight to put it, like it's very uncomfortable to put it in. So I went ahead and I just put the axles, put the gear oil in. I'm about to lift up the diff with everything already sealed with oil and everything. That way it's, you know, it's a lot easier to work with. Now when you install this plate, there's this little cut on this side. It's a cut. That cut goes to the front. I believe it goes to the front. We're gonna see now, but I'm like 99.945% that is to the front. All right, so couldn't record while doing it, but basically same places where you take the other one, they go in those two bolts. You know, that's how it looks. And then these ones, they bolt in there, and then the ones for the bushings. So that's that, at least for as far as the install for the diff itself. Now we're gonna install the hubs, which are somewhere in there, right there, and then these blinds are gonna go in. All right, so best thing to put this in is to put these bottom ones in so it can hold the weight, and then you just go ahead and put the rest, this one and then the lower one and all those, and make sure you e-brake cable, you bolt it into there, and then you see it bolts into the spindle, and then you're good to go. Let's do the other side now. All right, with this we finished the video. Just wanted you guys to show you everything is in already. And then the axles and everything. So next video we are gonna take it to the track. We're gonna launch the shit out of it, and then we're gonna see. We're gonna put this 8.8 to the test. So everybody, thank you for watching. Like, share, subscribe. To order your diff, I'm gonna leave an email on the bottom. All you gotta do is email me, and then we'll get you squared away with the kit. The kit will come with the housing on the back of the diff, the axles, the mounts, the cross member, and the custom spindles that you guys saw. The custom spindles does not include the differential is not included. Obviously, you gotta source that from the junkyard somewhere. Get yourself a differential. But other than that, I mean, that's pretty much everything. So again, everybody, thank you for watching. Like, share, subscribe. Thank you to my brother over here that came help me out like for 2 days in a row. See you guys next video.